What are MRO items? MRO stands for Maintenance, Repair, Operations. MRO items are materials and products that a business buys and uses. However, they do not end up as part of finished products. Companies use MRO items for everyday operations to keep things running. They are supplies that a business uses or consumes in the production process, but they are not components of whatever is produced. Neither are they crucial for the company's output. Some factory workers have to wear gloves and goggles. Their employers must purchase them. However, the company's finished products do not contain goggles and gloves. They are, therefore, MRO items. Other examples of MRO items include flashlights, ventilation fans, ladders, lubricants, grease, utility brushes, and spill protection supplies. We can say the long form of MRO either with or without the word and. In other words, we can say maintenance, repair, operation items or maintenance, repair and operation items. Some people use the word supplies instead of items and say MRO supplies. It is also possible in this context to use the word operation in the singular form and say maintenance, repair, operation items.